Hello guys, my name is Maniteja. I am from AML A section. My TikTok topic is about the CRL Gateway, and in this picture we can see about the CRL Gateway from which the server is transporting the or transferring the information from one user to another user. And now we'll see some information about the CRL Gateway. And firstly, we'll see what is CRL Gateway. The CRL Gateway means Certificate Recognition List, which is CRL, refers to certificates managed by a certification authority CA that are revoked or no longer valid. The CRL indicates that these certificates must not no longer be considered trusted. And now we'll see what is CRL stand for in security. A, a certificate recognition list. CRL is a list of digital certificates that have been revoked by the issuing certificate authority, that is CA, their actual or assigned expiration date. Now, the CRL gateway runs on the CRL server, and the CRL server has some particular restrictions. Now we'll see what is CRL server. In cryptography, a certificate recognition list or CRL is a list of digital certificates that have been revoked by the issuing certificate authority, that is CA, before their scheduled expiration date and should no longer be trusted. Now we will see how does CRL working checking work. How does CRL checking work? The access point sends the certificate to the radius server, which checks if it is expired or not. If it's still valid, the radius checks the directory, such as active directory, of approved users. If the user is approved, the radius checks the CRL to confirm that their certificate has not been revoked. The access point sends the certificate to the radius server, so which checks if it is expired or not. If it is still valid, then the radius checks the directory such as active directory of approved users. If the user is approved, the radius checks the CRL to confirm that their certificate has been not revoked. In this picture, we can see that HTTP server has a certificate, and that certificate is going to the internet. And here the security gateway A and security gateway B will be testing the certificate that the certificate is valid for the user or not, and it will be revoked if not. And here in the security we can see the verification through the online internet. On the computers we can see the verification of the certificate, which is done by certificate authority, that is CA. Here the certificate authorities, which is CAs, the CAs send the certificates to CRL collection, and in the CRL collection the certificates are sent to CRL partition, and with the CRL portions the certificates are uploaded in the online. So by the online service, the AMI network gets the certificate through online internet and assign the certificates to their appliances. In this picture, we can see that the utility company sends the verified certificates in internet and AMI network downloads it through the gateway and assign to the smart appliances. And here we can see some of the errors like there is a problem with the resource you are looking for and it cannot be displayed. This type of errors will be shown when we are having the expired certificate or our certificate date has been expired, and when the CA, that is certificate authority, is has revoked the certificate or checked the certificate that your certificate has been expired and you want to download it on from the internet, then we will see some server errors like server unable, HTTP error 503, the service is unavailable. And here are some of the errors like 504 gateway timeout or gateway timeout. The corporate app cannot be accessed. The intersect HTTP errors and Indian PKI made easy with joy #5. Enjoy. And now we will see about publishing a correlation list. A CRL is generated and published periodically, often at a defined interval. A CRL can also be published immediately after a certificate has been revoked. A CRL is issued by a CRL user, which is typically the CRCA, which is Certificate Authority, which also issued the corresponding certificates, but could alternately be some under other trusted authorities. All CRLs have a lifetime during which they are valid. This frame is often 24 hours or less. During a CRL's validity period, it may be consulted by a PKI-enabled application to verify a certificate prior to use. This is about some information about publishing recognition lists and the certificates for which a CRL should be maintained or often is X into X.509 public key certificates, as this format is commonly used by PKI schemes. The expiration dates are not a substitute for a CRL. While all expired certificates are considered invalid, not all unexpired certificates should be valid. CRLs and other certificate validation techniques are a necessary part of any property operated by PKI, as mistakes in certificates vetting and key management are expected to occur in real-life operations. And here are some Reasons to revoke a certificate according to RFC 520 rule and the given points are unspecified. First one. And the second one is key compromise. And the third one is CA compromise. And the fourth one is affiliation change. And fifth one is superseded. And sixth one is cessation of operation. And seventh one is certificate hold. And eighth one is removed from CRL. And ninth one is privilege withdrawn. And and the last one is AA compromise. These are some these are some of the 10 points which are the reasons to revoke a certificate according to RFC 5280 rule. I hope I hope you have understand about the CRL Gateway. Here are some information about the CRL Gateway and some basic points about the CRL, which is Certificate Reservation List. And here are some of the points about the CRL Gateway. So hope you understand about the CRL Gateway. Thank you.